Jai Hind students, how are you? Hope you all will be fine. Good. Okay, so let's start today's video lecture. Today I will explain you how to find adjoint of a matrix. Clear? And how to find the inverse of a matrix. Understood? So are you ready for that? Okay, so let's start very first question of exercise 4.5. Here we have to find the adjoint of the following matrices. In very first question there is a 2 by 2 order matrix, and in second question there is a 3 by 3 order matrix. Clear? So we will find out the adjoint of both the matrices. So for finding the adjoint of a matrix, first of all we will have to find out the cofactors of every elements of given matrices. Understood? So you know very well how to find the cofactors of a matrices. So first of all we will have to find the cofactors. So I am finding cofactors of matrix A are. So the very first cofactor will be A11. You know very well cofactors are denoted by capital A. So A11. A11 formula is minus 1 to the power I plus j. I is 1 and j is 1. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into, we have to take the element of, we will hide A11. We want to find A11. So what we will have to do? We will have to hide first row and first column. So what is the element? 4. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is 2. So its answer will be positive 1. Positive 1 into 4 gives you 4. Now we have to find A12. So it will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, because I is 1 and j is 2, into A12. So we will hide first row, second column. So 3 is there. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 is 3. So answer will be negative 1. Negative 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Now we have to find A21. A21 means minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into, for A21 we will hide second row, first column. So what is left? 2. Now minus 1 to the power 3, result will be negative. So negative into 2, that is minus 2. Now A22. A22 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into, for A22 we will hide second row, second column. So 1 is left. Now see, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4. So result will be positive 1. Positive 1 into 1, we will get positive 1. Clear? So after finding the cofactors, now we will have to prepare a matrix for cofactors of A. What we will have to do? We will have to form a matrix of cofactors of A. So matrix of cofactors of A. This matrix is denoted as B. Clear? So B equals to cofactors. Here we will have to write all the cofactors. So first A11. A11 is 4. Next is A12. A12 is minus 3. A21. A21 is minus 2 and A22 is 1. Hope it is clear. So for finding the matrix of cofactors of A, we will have to write all the cofactors in the matrix, and this matrix is denoted by B. Clear? Now adjoint of A. Adjoint of matrix A. It is denoted as ADJ. In bracket there is A. So this is known as adjoint A. Adjoint A is B transpose. B matrix is this. So its transpose will be adjoint of A. So see, adjoint of A equals to, you know very well how to find the transpose of a matrix. We will interchange the rows and columns. So adjoint A is B transpose, and B transpose will be 4 minus 3 is first row. So it will be now first column, 4 minus 3, and minus 2 1 is the second row. So it is now second column, minus 2 and 1. So this is our answer. So this is adjoint of this given matrix. Hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, students. Now I will explain you how to find the adjoint of this matrix. Here its order is 3 by 3. Clear? Process will remain same. First of all, we will have to find out the cofactors of this matrix. So cofactors of A are. First cofactor will be A11. A11 means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. Clear? Now for A11, we will hide first row and first column. So 3501 is left. So we will do the cross multiplication here. So 3 ones are 3 minus 0 5s are 0. Clear? Now minus 1 to the power 2. Result will be positive, or 3 minus 0 is 3. So it will be 3. Now A12. A12 means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. Now for A12, we will hide first row and second column. First row and second column. So what elements are there? 2, 5, minus 2 and 1. So we will cross multiply of 2 and 1. So 2 ones are 2 minus 2 into 5, that is minus 10. So it will be plus 10. Clear? Minus 1 to the power 3 is negative 1 and this is 12. So 12 into negative 1, you will get minus 12. Similarly, we will have to find A13. A13 means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3. So for A13, we will hide first row and third column. Then the elements is remaining 2, 3, minus 2 and 0. We will cross multiply them. So 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. So it will be plus 6. Clear? Now minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 is 4. That is even number. So result will be positive 1 and 6. Positive 1 into 6, that is 6. Clear? Now we have to find A21, that is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. For A21, we will hide second row first column. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 0 into 2 is 0. That is minus 1 to the power 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 into negative 1, that is positive 1. Similarly, we have to find A22, that is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. Second row, second column. Second row, second column. So 1 into 1 is 1 minus 2 into 2, that is plus 4. So answer will be 5. A23 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3. So A23, second row, third column. So 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. So this is minus 1 to the power 5, that is negative 1. Negative 1 into negative 2, that is positive 2. Now A31. A31 means minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1. 3 ones. Third row, first column. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 or minus 3 2s are 6. That is minus 11 and this is positive 1. So positive 1 into minus 11 is minus 11. Now A32 minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2. 3 2. Third row, second column. So 5 ones are 5 minus 2 2s are 4. So beta minus 1 to the power 5 is negative 1 or 5 minus 4 is positive 1. So negative 1 into positive 1, that is positive 1. Now A33, that is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3. Third row, third column. 3 ones are 3 minus 2. So it will be plus 2. That is positive 1 into 5 means 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 into positive 1, that is 5. So after finding the cofactors, we have to prepare the matrix of cofactors. So matrix of cofactors of A. This matrix is denoted as B. So the very first element of this cofactors matrix is 3, then minus 12, then 6, then 1, 5, 2, then minus 11, 1, and then 5. Clear? This is the matrix of cofactors of A. Now adjoint of A. Now adjoint of A is B transpose. So beta, adjoint of A equals to B transpose. I told you for finding the transpose we will interchange the rows and column. So here first row is 3 minus 12 6. So it will be first column, that is 3 minus 12 6. Second column is 1 5 2. So second column is 1 5 2, and third column becomes minus 11 1 and 5. Minus 11 1 and 5. So this is adjoint of this matrix. Hope it is clear to everyone. Understood? Good. Okay students, now I am going to explain you how to find the inverse of a matrix. Clear? So our next question is, find the inverse of following matrix if exists. So here first of all we will have to check if this given matrix is inversible or not. Inversible means the inverse of this matrix exists or not. So first of all we will have to check the inverse of this matrix exists or not. So how can we identify inverse exists or not? So for that we will have to find the value of the determinant of A. What we have to find? We have to find the value of the determinant of A. If the value of determinant of A is not equals to 0, then we can say that A inverse exists. Or if the value of the determinant of A equals to 0, then A inverse does not exist. Understood? So for checking we will have to find the value of determinant of A. So this is the symbol of determinant of A. So how can we find the value of determinant for 2 by 2 order matrix? By simple cross multiplication. This is multiplied by this and this is multiplied by this. So minus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 2 minus 3 into 5. Is it clear? Okay. So see, minus 1 into 2 we will get minus 2, or minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 and minus is this, so it is plus 15. And minus 2 plus 15 you will get 13, which is not equals to 0. The value of this determinant is 13. It is not 0. So we can say that A inverse exists. So you have to write hence A inverse exists. Or if A inverse exists, then how can we find A inverse? So beta, there is a formula for finding A inverse. For finding the inverse of a matrix, the formula is A inverse equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this is a formula for finding the inverse of a matrix. A inverse equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So beta, determinant of A we are having. Now we have to find adjoint of A. How can we find adjoint of A? I explained you in the previous question. So for finding adjoint A, first of all we will have to find the cofactors of A. So now cofactors of A are, first cofactor is A11. A11 means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into A11. So here we will hide first row, first column. So what is left? 2. Minus 1 to the power 2 is positive 1. Positive 1 into 2 is positive 2. Now A12 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 into A12. So first row, second column we will hide. What is left? Minus 3. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 is 3. So it is negative 1. Negative 1 into negative 3. The result will be positive 3. Now A21. A21 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 1. Second row, first column. So what is left? Minus 1. Now minus 1 to the power 3. Its value is negative 1 into negative 1. So it is positive 1. Now the last cofactor is A22. Means minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into second row, second column. Second row, sorry beta, A21. Second row, first column. So this element will be 5. This is not minus 1. Second row, first column. So what is left? 5. So 5 into that is negative 1. So it will be minus 5. Clear? Now A22, second row, second column. So it is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4. That is positive 1. Positive 1 into minus 1. That is negative 1. Again I am explaining. A21. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into. For A21 we will hide second row, first column. So what element is left? 5. So we have to write here 5. So minus 1 to the power 3. That is negative 1 into 5 gives you minus 5. For A22 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. So for A22 second row, second column, minus 1 is left. So minus 1 to the power 4 is positive 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Clear? Now we have to find the matrix of cofactors. Matrix of cofactors of A. So matrix of cofactors of A. This is denoted as B matrix. So this matrix, first element is 2, next is 3, then minus 5 and then minus 1. Now adjoint A. Adjoint of matrix A. It will be B transpose. Clear? So now adjoint of matrix A equals to B transpose. B matrix is this. So here we will change the rows and column. Interchange the rows and column. So first row is 2, 3. So it will be first column 2, 3. And minus 5 minus 1 is the second row. So it will be second column. Minus 5 minus 1. Clear? This is adjoint of A. And this is the value of determinant of A. Now we can find out A inverse. Hence, A inverse equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So beta A inverse equals to 1 upon determinant of A is how much? 13 into adjoint of A is this 2 minus 5 3 minus 1. So this is our answer. Clear? Understood? Hope it is clear to everyone. Good. Okay students, let's take one more question. Find the inverse of the following matrix if exist. Matrix is given. Now the order of the matrix is 3 by 3. So first of all we will have to check inverse will exist or not. So how can we check? We will have to find the value of determinant of A. So value of determinant of A equals to, for 3 by 3 order, how can we find the value of the determinant? We will have to write the first element, that is 1. Now we will hide first row, first column, cross multiply the remaining elements. So 2 into 5, 10, minus 0 into 4, that is 0. Clear? Now we have to note the second element with negative sign. Second element with negative sign. So this is positive 2, so it will be negative 2. Now we will hide first row, second column. Cross multiplication. 0 into 5, 0, minus 0 into 4, that is 0. Clear? Now we will have to note the third element with positive sign. We will hide first row or last column. So what is left? 0 into 0, 0, minus 0 into 2, that is also 0. Clear? Now see, determinant of A equals to 1 into 10 minus 0 is 10. So 10 ones are 10. Minus 0 minus 0 is 0 into 2, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 into 3, 0. So what is left? 10 minus 0 plus 0 gives you 10. So here the value of this determinant is not equals to 0. Or if it is not equals to 0, that means we can say that A inverse exists. So hence A inverse exists. Or if A inverse exists, then we have to find inverse by this formula. So value of determinant A I am having, but we have to find adjoint of A. So for finding the adjoint of A, we will have to find the cofactors of A. So now cofactors of A are, first cofactor is A11. So it is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. A11. So first row, first column we will hide. So 2 5s are 10. Minus 0 4s are 0. Minus 1 to the power 2 is positive 1. Positive 1 into 10, we will get 10. Now A12, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. We will hide first row, second column. So 5 into 0 into 0 into 4 means 0 minus 0. That gives you 0. Now A13, this is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3. First row, third column, 0 into 0 into 0 into 2. This is also 0. Clear? Now A21, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. For A21, we will hide second row, first column. What we will hide? Second row and first column. So A21, second row, first column, we will hide. So 5 2s are 10. Minus 0 into 3, that is 0. Minus 1 to the power 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 into 10, negative 10. Now A22, that is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. For A22, we will hide second row, second column. Second row, second column. So 5 into 1 is 5. Minus 0 into 3 is 0. Minus 1 to the power 4 is positive 1 into 5. That is positive 5. Now A23, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3. For A23, we will hide second row, third column. Second row, third column. So 0 into 1, 0. Minus 0 into 2, 0. So this will be 0. Now A31. A31 will be minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1. So third row, first column. 4 2s are 8. Minus 2 3s are 6. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 gives you 2. Or minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, 4. That is positive 1 into 2. That is positive 2. Now A32. A32 is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2. So 3 2. Third row, second column. So 4 1s are 4. Minus 0 into 3, 0. 4 minus 0. Minus 1 to the power 5 is negative 1 into 4. That is minus 4. Now A33. This is the last cofactor. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3. So here we will hide third row, third column. So 2 1s are 2. Minus 0. 2 minus 0. Minus 1 to the power 6 is positive 1 or into 2. That is positive 2. Clear? After finding the cofactors, now we will find out the matrix of cofactors. Matrix of cofactors of A. Or we know that matrix of cofactor of A is denoted as B. So the very first cofactor is 10, second is 0, third is 0. Next is minus 10, then 5, then 0. 2, minus 4, and then 2. This is the matrix of cofactors of A. Now we will have to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, you know that is B transpose. B transpose means we will have to find the transpose of this matrix. Or how can we find transpose? We will interchange the rows and columns. So first row is 10, 0, 0. So it will be first column. Second row is minus 10, 5, 0. So it will be second column, minus 10, 5, 0. And the third row is 2 minus 4, 2. So it will be third column, 2 minus 4 and 2. This is adjoint of A. Now we have to find A inverse. So now A inverse formula is 1 upon mod of A, 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So beta A inverse equals to 1 upon determinant of A. Its value is 10. We have already find out now. So this is 1 upon 10 into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is this 10, 0, 0, minus 10, 5, 0, 2, minus 4 and 2. So this is A inverse of this matrix. Clear? Hope it is clear to everyone. Good. Now students, I am going to wind up this video. After this video, I will provide you one assignment. So you have to solve all the sums of assignments. Clear? We will meet again in the next video with new topics. Till that time, take care, stay at home, be safe. Thank you.